In the hidden forests of Asia, a flash of gold moves like fire through the trees. This is the golden pheasant, one of the most visually striking birds on Earth. Its colors are not just beauty, they are survival signals shaped by evolution. It lives quietly on the forest floor, feeding on seeds, grains, and small insects. But when it comes to courtship, it transforms into a living display of light and color. In these silent forests, the golden pheasant remains one of nature's most radiant secrets.